Alright, so welcome to which video is this? Video 10. We'll be doing of the Python mini project. We'll be doing a rock paper scissors game where you can play against a computer using random and inputs. So what you'll be building is a rock paper scissors game, and the user will be playing against the computer, and the computer makes random choices. And the skills you'll be using are random selection, user input and comparison, and conditional logic. So why this matters is because it builds quick decision-making logic, and it practices comparing and checking values, and it's interactive and can be fun to play or expand on. And so the next thing you can do is just watch the demo and code it step by step, add rounds, scoring, or graphics later, like trying to make a GUI or something. Um, so I'll program this up real quick, and then I'll walk through it with you guys, because it's hard to fit everything into 15 minutes if I program it line by line on recording. Alright, so I just finished programming this. So similar to other programs that we've gone through, we'll start by importing the random module because the computer is going to randomly pick either rock, paper, or scissors. Um, and these are options that were shown in line 3 because this list holds 3 possible choices, rock, papers, or scissors. And we'll use this list so the computer can pick from it and also check the valid options. And um, in line 5, user choice equals input. Um, choose rock, paper, scissors. So this is just getting the input of the users and outputting choosing rock this. And the input or whatever the user types in is stored in the user choice variable. So we use .lawyer to make sure that the answers are stored in lowercase. This way it works even if they type rock in all caps or have uh, rock with R as capitalized. Um, in the next line, computer choice equals random choice to options. So this is just saying the computer randomly chooses one of the items from the options list. And printf, you choose user choice, printf computer choice, computer choice. And so we use f strings to print what both user and the computer chose, and this makes the game feel more interactive. So if the user chooses the computer choice in line 11, this just says that if the player and computer choose the same thing, it's a tie. And the elif, um, these are just all combinations of which player wins depending on what they chose. So user chooses rock, computer chooses scissors, user wins, that type of thing. So we use multiple OR statements inside of an elif. Um, and we use the else to say the computer wins because all of these options are showing the user winning. So the only other option is the computer winning. So that's how you build a simple rock paper scissors game in Python. We practiced inputs, random selection, logic with if, elif, and else, and how to compare values. Um, you guys can try expanding or improving this by adding a scoreboard or playing multiple rounds or checking if the user typed something invalid, which could be pretty cool. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hope you found this educational and enjoyable.